It's me. Hi, I'm the Problem Daisy. If you're looking for some unique signs to decorate your space to help your business, don't miss that I will introduce you today. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get more latest information and helpful signage ideas for you. Let's begin. Now check out this product, colorful letters on the mirror. Made with high-quality stainless steels, the strips are full color. It can be used both indoor and outdoor. We also have another style. This is made with acrylic mirror, durable and energy efficient. The installation is also very easy too. It comes with pre-jewel holes and a remote control. The letters on it can be customized. We can also put your logo on it and ship into most countries. No MOQ, just choose the logo and size you want. Suitable for various scenes including bedrooms, living rooms, home, offices, and even commercial space like shop. What do you think of it? We are a sign manufacturer with nearly 40 years experience. Every month we ship different styles of signs to customers around the world. Factory direct price, complete supply chain, and a strict management system. You're waiting for what? If you haven't subscribed to our channel, just hit that follow button right now and comment down below about any of your ideas. This is Stacy from lcsign. See you next time.